Let's see how orders work in Agency Handy. In order to see your orders, you have to be in your workspace and inside the orders option. In the orders option, you'll be able to see all your orders, and you can see your order ID on the left side, and going to the left you can see the client name, service name, the status, kickoff, and end date. You can also filter your orders. You can add filters. You can sort them. You can sort them by A to Z, Z or A, or sort by the created at date. Now let's create a new order. To create a new order, click on create order and add a client's name. Now if you don't have your client in your Agency Handy workspace already, you can simply click on add client and you'll be taken to this pop-up here where you can create your client by adding their details. Now since I have a client already and this video is about orders, I won't be covering that here. So let's add an existing client. Let's add a service. Now these are the services that I have created on my workspace. Let's choose a service. Let's add a project manager to this project. If you don't have a project manager, you can simply go here and add a new project manager. If you don't have a service, you can do it from here. Now you can give order briefs, you can add attachments, add notes, set a kickoff date, and then set an end date. Right now the amount of the quantity of this order, so it depends on, so this person wants to edit 2 videos, let's add 2, and this is the budget, and I cannot create it yet because I have not given an order brief. Let's just write test because of testing purposes and press create. Now this order is created. It's ongoing and you can see everything. Now to see the order in detail, simply click on this order and you can see the order, the task that has been associated with the order. To create a new task, click on add task, give it a name, add a description, assign it to one of your team members. You can add an attachment if you want, and a kickoff date to when they should start this. Add an end date, add a label, add a status. Now a client needs, you can also pick whether this needs a client review. This one doesn't, since this is an onboarding call, so I'll click on create. Now by default you can view this in Kanban board, and when you click on this Kanban here, you can see the details of the task, and when the task is completed you can simply drag it to done and it will be done. If you don't like this view, you can change it to list view. You can also view the order information by clicking here, and you will see a sidebar showing all the information. Once an order is complete, you can change it to completed and it'll be completed. Progress 100%. When I go back to orders, there you go, completed. So that's how ordering works. If you want to see how your clients can place orders, there's another video for that. Make sure to check out our channel. Thank you for using Agency Handy.